Baba, this country is crazy. See the price of things for market. Now everything don't cost. The worst part for Nigeria be say, now nonsense go they even they increase price. Even chin-chin where they give person headache. Chin-chin get mind they increase price. Even bitter cola, oh. Economy say demand and supply. Who they demand for bitter cola? Something we know they sweet. The other day I want to go buy rat poison. They tell me to say rat poison at 18,000. 18,000 to kill rat. How much be rat? I want is 18,000 killer. Now me and my rat, we they live in peace and harmony for us. As I don't come Benin and my rat they house, you don't on DSTV, on Gen, just they enjoy himself. Then before yesterday said my rat carrying babe come house. Now that my rat and my pet, his name na Chiamaka.
Put your hands together for G.S.M.
Sure. DJ bring her down. Alpha now. On a happy new year. What did happen now? Wanna clap for me now? I beg you, I be Port Harcourt boy. They always celebrate ourselves. Yeah. You know, say if they born you for Port Harcourt, you already be courtist. If you come Benin, join another court, you dey 2 court. Baba, this country na stress. If you know, say you no get mind for Nigeria, die now, 2025 go tough. If you know, say small thing, all this, you just keep my heart. Die now, today na second, space, the problem there. My care, if you know, say you dey hypertensive, no go market, oh. My caretaker don't die yesterday. Then tell him price of onions, he died for market. Carry yourself where? Chama weather. You get my type of head. Esprit de corps. You know, say, anybody will get bad head. They never ever believe to say bad head na natural. You must surely blame your baba. They line my hair inside. Now lie, you don't start. Especially when you go out those Barbie salon, they get calendar. You go see Whiskey, you go see Davido, you go see Kano one call of them. You go point Whiskey, make them Barbie like Whiskey. Baba go start to line your hair, pour powder for your face. Can't they line your hair like this? Powder, all your face. If you can't look for their mirror, you go resemble Whiskey. If you reach us, no bath, oh. Immediately you bath, you don't resemble Duncan Mighty. Benin with her. Baba, this country don't tough, oh. If you know you're a man, you stop to save money, all these things. You are saving money for your children. You are trying to create a future. Who trained me? Nobody trained me. Me, I just see my mate, they grow up. I follow them grow up. Baba, na peer pressure make me grow up. Baba, this country, now lie you all this. I'm saving for the rainy. You don't notice that anytime when you start to save for rainy, the rain don't start to fall. Chop your savings. So Nigeria, they round up next week Thursday. Chop your money. All this is what did they save money for? What are you saving money for? Rubbish. Anything what they do for Nigeria, no die. All these men, you go to say, oh, I'm ready to die. No die, yo. I say, man, if you die, they will fuck your wife. Port Harcourt boys, they don't use IC widow. Immediately, woman, husband don't die. They don't give them 3 million for caskets. No die, yo. With the mom Mohbad for Port Harcourt. Justice for Mohbad. The full hotel for GRA, don't fool. Man and woman, they inside room, they were mourning Mohbad inside. Baba, this country is crazy. See the price of things for market. Now everything don't cost. The worst part for Nigeria be say, now nonsense go they even they increase price. Even chin-chin where they give person headache. Chin-chin get mind they increase price. Even bitter cola, oh. Economy say demand and supply. Who they demand for bitter cola? Something we know they sweet. The other day I want to go buy rat poison. They tell me to say rat poison at 18,000. 18,000 to kill rat. How much be rat? I want is 18,000 killer. Now me and my rat, we they live in peace and harmony for us. As I don't come Benin and my rat they house, you don't on DSTV, on Gen, just they enjoy himself. Then before yesterday said my rat carrying babe come house. Now that my rat and my pet, his name na Chiamaka. Even Sega. Where Federal Minister of Health wants that smokers are able to die young. Cigar get mind they increase price. Now you have to pay more to die. This country is crazy. See fuel now, see the price of fuel. Baba, this country now back-to-back problem. See Nigeria, they like fairly used country. when Tinubu they contest for presidency, now still they shake. We can't feel saying go soon die. Ladies and gentlemen, he don't win. Now me and you they shake. He told us I will hit the ground running. Who they run now? Now me and you. Baba, this country now full stress. See fuel 1001. When last you see convoy? No convoy anyhow. See this table as then we are white like this. Now one Toyota Camry carry them come. No convoy again. All those bad characters will get away when you finish for show. You go to say, oh, no light for us. My on gem, my use and see road. Nobody does that shit anymore. For fuel 1002, now you want you see road. Okay, now we have found out, say, you get how you go concentrate for darkness if you see road. Now you know they open your eye where. Open your eye where. Open them. Before you go book boat driver go tell you, okay, wind up, oh, let me on AC. Any boat driver will on AC for you now. Straight to reach where he go kill you. You will die. Before you go finish station, go to buy fuel. They'll tell you, okay, don't make call, don't make call. If you make call, we'll have a system malfunction for fuel 197. And they buy fuel 12, you say, man, don't make call. I put the call on conference call, make everybody die. Make everybody die. If you now want clap, wanna clap. And no stress. Wanna no stress, leaders of tomorrow. Baba, the way leaders of tomorrow use the smoke, tomorrow go loud. I swear. Baba, anything way they do for this country, avoid courtism. My problem with courtism is say they get memory problem. They sabi forget. They go bring you on board today. Ask you, hey, boy, who goes? You go tell them who go you today. 2nd of January. Tomorrow they'll see me to again. Say, hey, boy, who goes you? My brother, did you forget who went me yesterday? I gave you that information. Why are you forgetting valuable information? That's why my cousin, Barber, you go join court. They ask her, hey, boy, who goes you? He give him friend phone, say, video me. Say, father rejected, mother rejected, talk everything finished. Come go post the video for court is their WhatsApp group. The next day, they ask her, hey, boy, who goes you? He say, buy data, go online, go see who go me. Baba, no stress yourself for this country. See, as people, they smell for this country. Body odor now is a team. As a conditioner, I see like 5 body. Body odor now, they like human beings. They just did. 5. Go buy perspirant. They'll tell you, say perspirant now 6.5. How much be sent leave? Stress. And it's crazy. Please, finally, before I leave here, my time already run down. I go. Finally, before I leave here, please, the number of likes you have online does not mean that people like you in real life. See somebody don't shout yes, then hate you, my sister. I swear. When I know this, everybody they do challenge online. When I know this challenge where they do, maybe somebody wants to get married. Maybe the bride go come, somebody go come, I'm not the bride, I'm the bride's brother. And that person go come, I'm not the bride, I'm the bride's sister. And that one go come, I'm not the bride, I'm the bride. Baba for Port Harcourt, you get the place where they call Ugoni, then do this thing for burial. For burial with dead body. Burial. Before you know, somebody don't call, I'm not the dead body, I'm the dead body's brother. And that one call, I'm not the dead body, I'm the dead body's sister. And that one call, I'm not the dead body, I'm the dead body. Until all of a sudden, the dead body stand up. I'm the dead body. Been a good night.
Ladies and gentlemen.